Okay, hello everyone. Nandito po kami ni Nanay sa Tetuan. Nanay is my boss. So, kamusta po? Sana po ay nasa mabuti tayo lahat ng kalagayan. So, this is our vacation time.
Wow.
We're gonna spend our whole week here, and I think we're gonna extend dahil yung kapatid ni Nanay ay bumili ng another vacation house. So, ayun, tulungan namin siya mag-design. Now, I'm taking my breakfast here and here, coffee. So, meron po nag-comment sa video natin sa anong mga agency ang pwede nilang applyan para makapagtrabaho dito sa Morocco. Okay, so that is why I am doing a video to tell you what are those companies or agencies that are creditable. So, yung hindi kayo ipapahamak. Mga accredited agency that will help you have your own work here in Morocco. Although, it's just a nanny or what you call it? Nanny or anong tawag nun? Sa mga salon, if you know how to do nail arts, massage therapies, they are also have in here. But at the end of the day, ang kontrata mo is a nanny. So, kasi yun po yung available here. Parang meron silang rules, limitations about hiring or recruiting a Filipino citizens, something like that. But in the end, kung ano yung pinag-usapan yung trabaho, yun pa rin naman. Although, kapag nasa bahay kayo, syempre, you have to put an effort, or even your work is magbantay sa mga bata. Definitely, kailangan pa rin magtrabaho. Sa bahay, maglinis-linis, syempre. Hindi ka naman boss dun. Anyways, so I'm gonna send. I will also put this accredited what you call it, accredited companies or agencies here in my vlog at the end of my videos. But let me tell you this. So, meron po kasing pinalabas ang MWO or Migrant Workers Office here in Morocco na located sa Rabat. Kung sino-sino lang yung mga accredited na agency, kasi marami pong agency dito, but they're not accredited, or maybe napaso na po yung kanilang permit to operate. But as for now, ito po ay last June 21 lang. Nitong June 21, 2024, pinalabas ng Migrant Workers Office or dating Philippine Overseas Labor Office dito sa Morocco, which is now MWO. So, Republic of the Philippines, Ambassador of the Philippines, Labor Section, Migrant Workers Office, formerly POLO or Philippine Overseas Labor Office, Rabat, Rayong, do Maroc. Paalala, ang may valid accreditation na FRA or Foreign Recruitment Agency upang mag-process ng HSW or Household Service Worker ay ang mga sumusunod. So, kung kayo po ay nag-a-apply pa Morocco at hindi ko nabanggit yung agency na ina-applyan nyo, better to not continue your application or go to the other agency that I declare or I dictate here. The first one is the agency that I'm in, who process my what you call it, my work here in Morocco, which is the Majestic Solutions Group. This is for Ma'am Aisha. Aisha.majestic@gmail.com. The second one is friendly staff. I don't even know this, but they said it's accredited. So if you're applying, and this is the agency that you're in, go. And their contact Gmail address is friendlystaffservices@gmail.com. So we have two. The third one is Phil International Recruitment, and their Gmail address is client@philinternational.ma. The fourth one is 3M's SARL. The contact Gmail address is sarl3ms@yahoo.com. Medyo luma na to, Yahoo pa sila. Anyways, so at nakalagay din dito at sa Rabat. So pwede kayong mag-ano dito sa Rabat, mag-email if you wanted to apply through Rabat. Nag-iisa lang po yung agency na meron sa Rabat. So merong apat sa Casablanca, which is accredited, and the one in Rabat, which is the International Negose. Ang email address nila ay sulaiman.alabdulkader@gmail.com. Medyo mahirap tong kanilang Gmail. Anyways, I'm gonna put it in here so that you're gonna see it. So, ito pang sinasabi. May mga nangangalap na workers dito sa Morocco, nasa Pilipinas pa, or di kaya sa Middle East ng mga Pilipino. Kapag may interesadong mag-alok ng trabaho sa inyo, mangyaring idulog sa aming opisina ang employer mismo upang magiyahan upang maiwasan ang pagsisisi sa huli. Tama naman. Ang trabahong bahay o di kaya ay sa mga salon ay disente, subalit kabilang sa mga vulnerable sectors, kaya iba yung pag-iingat. So this is an advisory lang naman po para sa inyo, para sa kaligtasan din naman natin. Although maganda dito sa Morocco magtrabaho because it's an open country at hospitable ang mga tao, pero it doesn't mean you will always be safe. So, para din po hindi kayo magoyok. No. All of the agencies that is operating accredited, hindi po kayo magbabayad. You're not allowed to pay any amount or any sum. Kung kayo ay nag-a-apply as a household workers, dahil libre po iyan. The agency will gonna sila po ang bahala diyan. Take care of it. Yun lang po, sana po nakatulong yung mga agency na pwede nyong applyan papunta dito, at good luck po sa inyo. Maganda po dito sa Morocco, you can always have your weekly day off. So, if you want a weekly day off, I recommend you find an employer in Casablanca or in Rabat. Huwag na kayong maghanap ng medyo malayo, or Marrakech, Casablanca, Rabat. That's good. And in the other side of cities of Morocco, hindi po ako nakakasiguro kasi on my own experience, no. So, nakakalabas po ako. Kita nyo naman, nilalabas din naman ako ni nanay, binabakasyon. Like now, nasa bakasyon kami, hindi masyadong maglilinis. Linis ka lang konti lang. But the thing was, wala po talaga akong exact day off kung kailan. Kasi ang pinag-usapan, sinabi ko lang kay nanay na I want a day off even once a month, pero hindi nga pa nga siya nangyayari. But the thing was, hindi naman okay naman, kasi mabait naman si nanay, mabait naman yung pamilya niya. They let me go to the place that hindi naman lahat ng Filipino workers ay gala sa mga gantong lugar na pinupuntahan namin. Yung gala talaga, as in, hindi ka mag-work. Gagala ka lang kasi nga, matanda na yung aking kasama. So, kailangan ko lang siyang bantayan. Medyo, ano na kasi, medyo matanda na nga at kailangang alalayan. So, hindi naman lahat ganon. Kasi kapag may bata kang alaga, definitely, kahit magagala kayo, kailangan mo pa rin alagaan yung mga alaga mo. So, it depends on who is your boss. So, yun lang po. At salamat. Sana ay nakatulong at sana ay suportahan niyo po ang aking videos. Let's see kung makakagawa tayo ng videos about utensils or yung mga tawag-tawag dito sa mga bahay or mga yung pwede nyong magamit in a daily basis in a Moroccan language or what you call it, Darija. Salamat po. Please subscribe, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.